Welcome back to Speak Easy, Mastering English Step by Step. I'm N, and I'm so excited you're here for another episode. Today, we're diving into simple daily practices that can boost your speaking skills and help you start sounding more natural in English. If you want to improve your speaking skills, the key is practice. But it's not about studying for hours, it's about small, consistent practices.
Think of it like exercising.
You don't need to do a full workout every day, but small, regular sessions can make a big difference over time. That's the same with speaking English. A little bit every day goes a long way. One of the simplest ways to practice is by talking to yourself. Yes, it might feel strange at first, but it works. Try describing your day in English. I just woke up and now I'm making coffee. After work, I'll go to the gym. It helps you get used to forming sentences and thinking in English. And guess what? You don't need anyone to practice with, just yourself. Another powerful technique is shadowing. This means listening to a native speaker and repeating exactly what they say, word for word. You can do this with podcasts, YouTube videos, or TV shows. Focus on rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation. It's like practicing with a native speaker without needing a partner. And it's a great way to pick up natural expressions and sound more fluent. Apps can be a great tool for practicing speaking. There are apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and HelloTalk that let you record your voice and compare it to native speakers. You can practice anytime, during a commute, on a lunch break, or just before bed. Short, regular practice sessions are powerful for building confidence and fluency. And lastly, one of the best ways to boost your speaking skills is by talking with other people. Join a language exchange group where you can practice English with native speakers or other learners. Apps like Tandem, HelloTalk, or Meetup are great for connecting with others. And remember, you don't have to wait until you're perfect. Start speaking, start making mistakes, and start learning from real conversations. Before we wrap up, let's go over some key vocabulary from today's episode. Consistent, adjective, happening regularly and in the same way. Example, consistent practice helps you improve over time. Shadowing, noun, the technique of listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say to practice pronunciation. Example, I practice shadowing to improve my accent. Intonation, noun, the rise and fall of the voice when speaking. Example, pay attention to the intonation in native speakers' sentences. Exchange, noun, the act of giving something and receiving something in return. Example, join a language exchange to practice English with others. Routine, noun, a regular way of doing things. Example, make speaking English part of your daily routine. Let's recap the key points from today's episode. Practice speaking daily, even if it's just talking to yourself. Use shadowing to mimic native speakers and improve pronunciation. Utilize language apps to practice anytime, anywhere. Join language exchange groups to practice with real people. Remember, small, consistent steps add up over time. Thanks so much for tuning in to Speak Easy. Now you have some easy, practical ways to practice speaking every day, no matter how busy you are. In the next episode, we're going to talk about how to expand your vocabulary with fun, easy methods that you can do in just a few minutes a day. I can't wait to share that with you. This is N, and you've been listening to Speak Easy, Mastering English Step by Step. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next episode.